Good morning, everyone. Bună dimineața. Distinguished guests, dear friends, and esteemed members of the Moldovan American community. Welcome to the 11th edition of the Moldovan American Convention here in Orlando in the Sunshine State of Florida. It is both an honor and a privilege to stand before you today, united by our shared heritage, our aspirations for a free and prosperous Moldova, and our enduring commitment in democratic values. Today, Moldova stands at a historic crossroads. It is striving to consolidate democracy, to anchor itself firmly within the European family, and to build a state where justice, freedom, and dignity are not merely aspirations, but everyday realities. Credit must be given where it is due. The people of Moldova, through resilience and civic courage, have demanded a new path, one rooted in transparency, dignity, and opportunity. However, as responsible citizens, whether living in Chisinau, Cahul, or Chicago, it is also our duty to speak with honesty. True love for one's country is not blind. It does not applaud without question, nor does it remain silent when ideals are at risk. The current government of Moldova carried the hopes of many who believed in reform and renewal. Yet, we cannot ignore growing concerns. We see the dangers of political centralization. We witness society's frustration when promised judicial reforms stall or even regress, when public trust in governance is eroded, and when dialogue with society feels increasingly one-sided. The concern shared by Moldovans at home and abroad is clear. The pace of change has often been too slow and at times alarmingly selective or misguided. Fighting corruption must never mean replacing one set of vested interests with another. True reform demands transparency, fairness, and accountability, even when it is politically uncomfortable. As Moldovan Americans who understand deeply the value of a strong democratic culture, we call for greater openness, or willingness to listen to criticism in governance, and for the rule of law. Democratic resilience is not built by concentrating power, but by strengthening a system of checks and balances. And we must remind ourselves, and Moldova's leaders as well, that good intentions are not enough. Integrity must be matched with competence. Reforms must not be symbolic. They must be deep, systemic, and truly just. Moldova's European future cannot be built on shortcuts or by excluding critical voices. It must be built with the participation of all, not just those convenient to power. Moldova's future must be inclusive. It must respect not only those who supported the ruling party, but even every citizen, from Iedinets to Vulcănești, from Soroca to Comrat. Unity is not achieved through slogans. It is earned through actions that inspired trust across society. Our commitment as Moldovan Americans is to continue standing with Moldova, offering support, but also offering honest feedback, encouraging progress, but also expecting better. Let us work together, across borders, across differences, to build the Moldova that future generations will be proud to inherit. Let us ensure that the dream of a democratic European Moldova does not remain a slogan, but becomes a lived reality for every citizen. Because Moldova deserves better. Our people deserve better, and the future demands it.